Alright, today we're going to be working on some springs. So if we look at our plan, that I will slide in here, we have 2 normal springs in 1 and 3, and the rest are all double springs. We're going to put together a spring, a couple of double springs, and I'm going to see how exactly I want to do these. So the first thought I had for a double spring is I'm just going to take 2 of these springs. Get back in here. Alright, so I got 2 springs, and I'm going to take a shot at just kinda shoving them into each other like that, and then twist and try and get them to catch. So then we're basically gonna be coiling these springs together, and it's quite a small process. It's quite small, and I'm sure my hands are very much in the way. Oh, there we go. So you can kind of see I just kind of mashed them together and they kind of started. And we're just gonna twist until we got that. So there we've got, as you can see, it's much springier than the normal springs. It's a lot harder to push closed. Let's see if I can. You see, it has a lot of a tendency to bend outwards and kind of. See if I push them like that. That kind of gives you an idea. And then if I just take a regular spring, we'll set our double off the side. It pushes much easier. Alright, so then let's pick a key pin. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to drop a 4. At least what we're guessing is a number 4 into here. Drop that in. Put the clip on. Alright, so now we need a driver. We're just going to drop a standard driver pin into the top, since we haven't made any of our security pins. And then on top of that, we're going to drop our new specialty double wound spring. And push, and then we're going to put the little cap on top. Alright, it definitely pushes against that cap a lot harder than I would expect, but for some reason we're not locking. Why are we not locking? There we go. There we go, we got it locked. Alright, and I'm just going to take good old standard hook, and I'm just going to try and feel. Oh wow. Yeah, that it almost. So I have no tension in this lock, and it feels like it's binding. That's gonna really screw with somebody. That's great. That's working quite like I planned. So we're gonna take this back apart, take the spring out, and we're gonna see what. We're gonna try another style. Alright, so now for try number 2, same pin, same driver pin, and I'm just going to try and insert 2 springs, just one on top of the other instead of, if I can, instead of having them be bound. So it's really hard to get these springs in if they're not double wound. So what I might do is I'm gonna try double winding this one like I did the other one, but we're not gonna double wind them closed all the way, if that makes sense. So we're just gonna get them started. There we go, something like that. So now the spring is much longer instead of just more. It's just a longer spring now. So now let's see what that does. We'll just get back in there. Get back there. Oh. As you can see, it doesn't. It really wants to come out. So let's see if I can just. Oh. So we're not. It doesn't really want to go on there with the double without it being the right height. So we're gonna see if we can just. There we go. Alright, same deal. No tension, we're just gonna tap on him a little bit with a standard hook. Wow, very springy. I can't actually push the pin. I'm a little worried because I can't actually push. I don't know if I can actually push the pin to the shear line.